G-Power's M2 upgrade. Outperforming even the CS German tuner G-Power has released a significant performance upgrade for the BMW M2 G87, pushing its capabilities far beyond the factory specifications, including the higher performance M2 CS model. The upgrade, dubbed the G2M Biturbo, transforms the coupe into a machine capable of rivaling supercars in straight-line speed. Factory performance versus G-Power's tuning. The standard M2 currently delivers 473 HP, 480 PS, and 443 lb-ft, 600 Nm, with the 8-speed automatic transmission, or 406 lb-ft, 550 Nm, with a manual gearbox. The M2 CS, an auto-only variant, outputs 523 HP, 390 kW, and 479 lb-ft, 650 Nm. G-Power's modifications elevate these figures dramatically. The G2M Biturbo kit, using GP700 performance software and supporting hardware, produces 690 HP, 700 PS, and 619 lb-ft, 840 Nm of torque. This level of power places the M2 firmly in supercar territory, despite retaining its compact coupe form factor. Hardware and software components. The core of the upgrade lies in a recalibrated ECU setup that sharpens throttle response and enhances torque delivery. To achieve these gains, G-Power requires a €595, $700 ECU unlock, followed by its €3,595, $4,240 tune. Additional components include €3,689, $4,350 HJS sport downpipes, a €4,760, $5,610 GP deep tone rear silencer, and a €3,213, $3,790 carbon fiber intake system. The total cost of these modifications is substantial, but the resulting performance gains justify the investment for serious enthusiasts. Straight-line performance estimates suggest a 0-60 mph, 0-96 km/h time in the low 3-second range, though this depends on traction given the car's rear-wheel drive configuration. Cooling and aesthetics. G-Power also offers a new €5,950, $7,000 GP Venturi carbon hood designed to actively extract heat from the engine bay using dynamic venting with Venturi nozzles. The hood can be finished in clear coat or body color, with the clear coat option being the more aggressive choice. The package is completed with 20-inch front and 21-inch rear Hurricane RR forged wheels wrapped in high-performance Michelin tires. All modifications are fully TÜV approved, ensuring legality in Germany and indicating a high standard of quality. This upgrade positions G-Power's M2 as a serious performance contender, exceeding even the factory M2 CS in power and potentially in real-world performance.